Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to get Muramasa in Terraria. First, we need to find the Skeletron dungeon. It's on either side of the world. Not near the ocean though. I'm searching in one direction now. If it's here, great. No need to pause. I'll be back. Here I am at the dungeon. It's on my left. Now we wait for nightfall. When night comes, we summon and defeat the boss. Got it? Then we enter and search for a golden key from mobs. Let's head down quickly. Here we go. Kill mobs to get the golden key. I'll return once I've got it. Found a key in a chest. We'll keep opening chests until we find Muramasa. Here's another chest. We open it, no luck. Let's move to the next one. Nothing here either. We're opening chests one by one, hoping to get lucky. Muramasa should be in one of them. No luck this time. Well, let's keep opening. I'll try this chest. Nope, not here. Alright, moving on. Here's another small chest. Let's try this one. No luck in this one either. Oh man, what rotten luck. Okay, here's one more chest. And here it is, Muramasa at last. That's all folks. Like and subscribe to the channel. This was Velour. See you later everyone.